We're going to connect the jumper cables for the fan to the GPIO pins, and we're going to need the red wire on the first spot on the outer side of the pins, which is actually number 2 pin, and then this is number 14 pin. Down from that, they start with 1 over on the far side and then 2 where the red cable is, and then it goes 3 and then 4 and so on until you get all the way down to 14. Or you can just count 7 over to this, but you guys don't have to do this. I've already done this part for you, so I just wanted to show you how it's connected. And then the case is going to go on here. This is just sitting on here right now on the part where we're gonna put screws in to hold it in place. And we can pop this down and it just will rest on top of there. You'll be able to access, doesn't look lined up. There we go, you'll be able to access the USB ports and stuff that way. So we are going to flip it over and then we'll put the screws in these spots. So I have them right here. I'm just going to put them in. So they give you this tool that comes with it, a little screwdriver thing. Okay, fail. Sorry. It's hard to hold the phone and do this. I should have brought my tripod, but I didn't. Okay. You get the idea. So we just screw them in all 4 spots.